should do, I think, is on a high flame, dry this out slightly. I think you should give this a name, this dish a name.
A name?
Yeah. Name it after your mother.
Her name's Lindsay.
So chicken a la Lindsay.
Lindsay, yes. Sounds
Right.
good.
Why not? Chicken a la Lindsay being served up right now. Coming up, Ben decides to cook some pasta and a special salad for his mother. So the next thing on the menu is pasta. Pasta is like everybody makes it. It's simple to make, and it's. You told me that this is like something your mother makes.
Similar to what my mom makes. I think I'll take a chance and.
What the hell? I'll also learn something. Chalo, pasta. So how are we making this pasta?
So we'll go with the olive oil,
Great.
garlic.
Garlic.
I think I'll throw in the.
Yeah, I think the paprika is a
Paprika.
good idea. I'm a big fan of Indianizing most food, you know. You know, like put a little extra paprika into it. It's nice and spicy.
That's what our, I think, tongues are
That's our
accustomed to.
palate, yeah.
So,
I may put a full stop just before garam masala, but otherwise I would mind it. This doesn't need any more cooking, so you can start adding whatever else you
adding,
need.
I think the tomato puree goes in.
So you pureed tomatoes in this? Oh, great. So this is going to be the base for the pasta sauce.
Some more?
Yeah, I think you need more. And you just go with it. Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah, because there's a lot of pasta. This will take a little time to cook because otherwise you're going to get this raw flavor of tomatoes. Okay, this is cooking up quite nicely. What else do you plan to put in this?
I'm going to put some basil. That's for the
Nice.
flavor. Huh?
Nice. You got a nice sort of Asian flavor to this as well.
And then I think of modifying it a little bit with some leaf we've got here.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. I think it's got a lot of. It smells good.
Oh yes, it does.
Yeah. So I think
What the hell? In goes it.
it's more like allspice.
Allspice,
It's gonna give a good flavor.
Well, the joy of having your own garden, what can I
Yes.
say? I think we should put in some salt at this point of time. And the sauce is thickening up quite well.
A little bit of sugar.
At this time round, I think what we should do is instead of putting all the pasta in there, we should put the pasta in this and then
We'll pour the
sauce over it.
Perfect,
you know? The pasta, of course, has been cooked. And what about the olives? I've seen olives over there. Do you want to put them in here or do you want...
We could put it in here.
Well, does this look anything like what your mother makes?
Yeah. Pretty
Similar?
Much. Very similar.
Chalo.
I hope she likes it.
I hope so too.
Yep.
Okay, so we're done with the prawn, we're done with the chicken, we're done with the pasta. Now Ben's got an ace up his sleeve. Some sort of salad which I've never heard of but is a favorite at home.
It's my mom's favorite, yeah.
Okay, so mom's favorite salad coming up right now.
This is something my dad always, would prepare on a Saturday or a Sunday.
Okay.
This is one of my mom's favorites.
Okay.
And for some reason, he does it pretty well. I'm not sure or very confident on how good I'm going to be at it.
Oh, you'll be great.
But I think I'll give it a good shot.
Of course,
Yeah,
okay.
it's pretty simple. There's just, we use the onions.
Okay.
It's cut nice. We have slightly thick coconut milk.
Okay.
The whole thing goes in it.
Okay.
Then we use green chili cut. And then we are supposed to give it a nice...
So let it
So
all
yeah,
go in.
so I think it's all the juices coming out, mixing well.
Also, every flake of the onion will separate.
Yes.
Oh, this is fantastic. Like a kachumbar, but it's done Kerala style
Kerala
with the coconut milk in it. Oh, lovely.
A little bit of salt.
Is this good?
Yeah, I think that should be fine. A spoon of vinegar.
1 spoon of vinegar.
And just a drop of coconut oil.
Just a drop.
Perfect.
Now my question is, how soon is your mom going to be home?
I think another 15 minutes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So
I think we should
we have just about enough time to set the table
set
up
everything up. Yeah.
and wait for her, and I'm hoping that she's going to be pleasantly surprised. Of course, whatever a son does, mothers are always
Always,
happy.
yeah.
You know?
It should be.
Even if the food tastes a little bad, she'll still be happy, is my guarantee. Yeah?
All right, should be fine.
Okay, so this is ready. Now I think we should head down straight and set the table and prepare a welcome for your mother. Yeah?
Sounds good.
Let's go.
Will Ben's mom like the food that he cooked especially for her? Will she be shocked or surprised? We'll find out after this break.
Alright, so this table is set.